Well, there's yet another new competitor for Afterpay, and you can use this one for any online purchase you like. Its big backer here is the Commonwealth Bank, which wants to get a piece of the pay later pie.
After finding some end-of-sale bargains during her lunch break, Courtney turns to Afterpay to make them her own.
I just find I can budget a little bit better.
Klarna is the latest arrival on Australia's thriving buy now pay later scene. It splits the cost into 4 instalments over 6 weeks, with no interest or fees. But Klarna says the platform's really about making shopping smoother.
Shows you digital receipts, exactly what you bought, images of them. You can wish list item and tell you when things drop in price.
It may be making shopping friendly, but remember, it's still debt. More than 200,000 retailers around the world, including H&M, Adidas and IKEA, have already partnered with Klarna, enabling its 85 million users to make over 1 million transactions a day. Its key point of difference? From today, it's available at every online retailer in Australia.
At the moment, Buy Now Pay Later service has to register with a retailer. This is a bit of a game changer.
The Commonwealth Bank owns half of Klarna's local business, while Westpac has a stake in rival ZipPay. With the popularity of credit cards continuing to slide, both banks are keen to get a slice of the growing buy now, pay later pie.
For now, Afterpay dominates, but
this is about convenience. So if you make it easy for people to buy, they'll switch providers.
Everything to play for. Gemma Acton, 7 News.
Time for more on the weather now. And Amelia, it sounds like a stifling night's ahead.
Jane, the temperature isn't likely to go lower than 30 degrees, and that's actually warmer than the average daytime top temperature that we see at this time of year, which is around 28 degrees. Far from average today too. Our top was 43.3, and right now it feels every bit of 42 degrees. It was hot and sunny right across the state. Nullarbor was the hottest, hitting a top of 46.7. That humidity we're expecting is already drifting over the northern border, and we've seen storms fire up there this afternoon. That tropical air will continue to filter down tonight ahead of a front which will push across from the west tomorrow. Interstate and Hobart's in the thick of a heat wave too, up to 40 degrees there, 43 for Melbourne before a late shower. Back home, and what a difference a day makes. Hot and humid across the board with showers and storms extending from the north towards the southeast during the day, tending to rain later. 35's the forecast top for Port Lincoln, 40 for Port Augusta, 37 for Clare, Kadina and Nuriutpa, 33 for Kings Coast, 42 for Renmark, 36 for Mount Gambier. Tonight, areas north of Port Augusta could see damaging winds and heavy rain with storms, and the potential for heavy falls mean a flood watch has been issued for areas from central to southeastern SA, and it'll be a nervous time for grape growers too. Out on the water, nor'westerlies to 15 knots in the afternoon before a sou'westerly change at night, seas below a metre. In the city, there's that hot night, then a muggy day with the dew point sitting up in the 20s. 36 is the top. Showers are possible from late morning with a rain band tipped to develop late in the day. Now that rain's tipped to continue into Saturday, easing during the day and hopefully clearing by night for Strikers fans. We could see up to 35 millimetres before it does though, but as we've heard, we could see more in thunderstorms. Then it's looking much cooler from Sunday, with next week looking significantly less eventful, Jane.
Good on you, Amelia. Well, you've got a couple of hours to get out and clean the gutters just in case we get that downpour. I'll have updates for you later this evening. In the meantime, good night.